Potterton Pro Max expansion vessel, PRV, and a bypass isolator. So the merchants didn't have another hose, so I've had to go and get a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, then a 1/2 inch and a 1/2 inch flex, because it's the only way we're going to get this to work, as the old one had blocked up. Whoa. Only stuff you want to be using is all that rapid blue stuff. Probably get moaned at like mad, but she be on there and she's going nowhere. Oh, she's tight. Now have a look at this. Oh, like it grew there, baby. Oh. Expansion vessels in. Completed it, mate. Lovely jubbly.
Rare footage of him actually working. Look at them hands go.
Right then, run in, change the bypass and the PRV. Forgot to shut the bypass. So, lovely. Expansion's working right, pressure's right. Here we go.